People there. I'm here with another vlog. I'm in London. Yes, she is. With my cousins and obviously sisters, etc. etc. Please, I don't want to hear anything about my makeups. I'm fully aware I was looking horrible. So please and thanks. No comments. Thank you. Anyway, yeah. So we're going to an engagement today. Yeah. So you can come with me in my makeup, like just like.
Please, you are all coming to greet you. Make sure you find the appropriate hands to use. Because in the African tradition, we greet elders differently. If you don't know that and that's coming with a penalty. Anyway, majority of those sitting here, they are not chiefs. When you are greeting chiefs, you have to use your two hands. But with elders like this, your left hand behind you and your right hand to shake them, right? And let's clap. So just please greet them.
My swinging with some new Giuseppe's on my feet. On my feet.
She's crazy. So careful. You're right, my love. She's so cringe, isn't she? She goes, oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
I thought she was gonna
Cry, yeah. Watch her, she probably will.
She's holding, yeah.
She is. Hi guys, welcome back. Basically, I can't remember the last time I like stood and basically spoke to you guys like in a vlog. I don't remember the last time I vlogged either, to be honest with you. I think it was my cousin's engagement. But yes, today is a couple months after, actually. Wait, it's October. We're in October now. I've just been like really busy because I was planning for something and then something happened and it's all on. But yeah, yes, so today is the 10th. Today's the 10th of October and I'm actually on my way to a film premiere for the Sorry to Bother You film. And if everything goes well, Sorry to Bother You, yeah, with Omari Hardwick and Boots Riley. And if all goes well, on Friday I should be interviewing Boots Riley, if that's not already up. No, it won't be up, this is going up first, but yeah. Yeah, if everything goes well, I should be interviewing Boots Riley, which you will see me at the press junket for. I probably won't take my camera, but yeah. And then on Saturday I have a photo shoot for something else that will come out also, but I will vlog a little bit but without revealing everything. But yeah, that's if everything goes well and everything goes to plan. So yeah, you can just come with me. I'm just about to get on the train now because the film is in about 2 hours, but it's like 5 minutes from Euston, so I'm about to get on the train in a bit, and yes, you guys can come with me.
Never needed you for nothing. It was always you that needed me. You needed me. Yes, I meant to be rude. Don't even know what I saw in you. Stop calling my phone at 3 a.m. Begging me to come through in my place. Now watch me slay.
Hey guys. I don't think you can see me. Let me get into the sun first. Let me get into the sun. Yeah, welcome people then. Today is Thursday. I actually I'm going to Stratford because I need to go and I need to fix my Mac. I've not shown you, but my Mac is a mess. I think I have a virus on it, 1. Number 2, I went to the library and when I was sat on the bus, I think it like smashed my Mac, like the pole or something. I don't know, but when I got into my house and my Mac was all mashed up. So I'm going to get that fixed at the Apple store because my insurance is with the Apple store. Oh, Josephine. Oh, Josephine. If only I knew. Right here, this is the point I knew. Josephine, you done messed up. Watch until the end to find out about my funny story at the Mac store and how I didn't have insurance.
What more do you want from me?
And I know that's going to take for absolutely ever, and I've been delaying it, but I need to get it done now because it's making my editing for videos a lot harder. So I'm going to go and get that fixed. Yeah, yesterday I watched the film. It's weird. It's very weird. Very weird. I came out of there like, what the hell? Can you guys see me? I don't think you can, but I came out of that film like, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? I don't know if it's actually out yet. But I'll if it is out, then go and watch it. If it's not, then I will leave the date that it's out. But it's very, very weird. It's actually like, when you look at the trailer, if you've not watched the trailer, if you look at the trailer, it's just a normal, like just a normal movie, just, you know, it just looks calm, like normal. And then halfway through the film it was all mashed up and I was like, what? I wasn't expecting that. So yeah, go and watch the film, guys. It's a good movie. But I'm going to Apple now. If I get the chance, I will show you how mashed up my Mac is. I don't know if they're gonna fix it. I need it done today, basically. And apparently they fix it on the day. So yeah, I don't need my Mac gone for too long. So hopefully they fix it or give me a new one, because that's what insurance is for. See y'all later.
The next day.
Wagwan people them. So I don't actually remember that. Oh, I spoke to you yesterday. Basically, I went to the Apple store to get my Mac fixed. Funny story. So I get there now, and then there's me thinking I have insurance, but it's not. It's warranty. So I thought that I had warranty, no, insurance on my Mac, but I didn't. It was warranty. So they were like, yeah, so it's going to be £322 to fix it and £69 for labour. What? And so I was like stressing, and then he starts looking at my Mac all kind of funny and stuff, and then he calls his manager over looking at my Mac all funny and stuff, and then he like nodded. So then I was like, what's up, like what's good, like what's wrong? And they said that basically it looks like there's manufacturing problems, so it covers warranty. I said we stay inside because I was not trying to pay that. So basically I got my Mac fixed without insurance. Only I could do that. I got a great phone call also. But right now I'm on my way to the press junket for Sorry to Bother You. But I can't actually record it because the film's not out yet. So I can't actually record some of the stuff. That's why I didn't record me actually inside the building. But I'm going to meet the editor of Blackfire magazine right now, which is Steph. If you're watching this, hey girl. Yeah, so I'm going to meet her now. Oh. Having lip gloss on in the wind is not good. I don't know if you guys can actually see me, but whatever. I'm going to meet Steph now. And I haven't actually ate yet and I'm hungry, so problem number one. I don't know what I'm doing after. I might go and meet some of my friends. I don't know yet, but I'm going to eat. People are all staring at me, but you know what? I need the footage. The footage needs to be done. Yeah, man's about to get on the DLR, innit? And what else? I don't think I'm gonna vlog today. I'll just probably do some, like, you know, cutaways and all of that stuff. But I got a new handstand thing, camera stand. I got a new camera stand, so like I'm holding it on a stand. I don't know, is this more secure, guys? It feels a bit more comfortable and profesh. It's not so jiggly and my arm doesn't get as tired because I can hold it, wait, like right from the bottom, like right here. Is it a bit more secure, guys? Let me know if you've been watching my videos from time. But yeah, I'm about to get on the train, so I'll see you guys later. Wagwan people.
Who are you talking to?
My camera.
Oh,
Do you want
is
to be in the vlog?
Is that the Sony?
Yeah. Hi guys, say hi to Steph.
Hi guys, we just interviewed Boots Riley from Sorry to Bother You.
It was great. So the press junket is done. We have the whole day ahead of us, but oh, this is cute.
Let's read the menu.
We're just looking for a coffee because we need to have a little chin wag.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just did the interview. It was like a voice interview, so I took some pictures with him and I will have that. Yeah, I got pictures. Let me show you them. I've not even looked at them yet.
I can maybe use those pictures for the editorial.
I've not even looked at it yet. And I feel like the person that took it took quite a few because I hate when people just take one picture.
I thought you said that there was no one else in there.
No, he came in to drop me and then he came in 2 minutes before the end. So I don't go over.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, look. You can swipe the other way. Steph.
Thank you.
Other way.
Other way, this way.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the are you
What?
right in the middle of it?
Yeah. Did you want to say hi?
No, I'm good with that. What's your name?
Josephine.
Josephine.
Yeah.
The next day.
What is that?
I used to have a camera like just the same as this. Yeah,
Wait,
yeah,
what?
Sony.
What is that? I didn't realise it could like... You just hold it, so it's a bit more...
Oh yeah, the holder. Yeah.
That's perfect.
No, I used to have one of these. They're brilliant.
So what do you use that for? Like all your
Vlog.
It's
When
brilliant.
I'm gallivanting. Wagwan people them.
They're brilliant. Oh yeah, I gave you my card. Yeah.
Yes, you did.
Yeah. So just
Man's at the photo shoot and that, you know what I'm
you
saying?
just get all your stuff sent
Anyone
over.
want to say hi? We've got Eva here.
She's right.
Everyone's
you're
hella
right
shy.
on the height, mate.
It's October and it's very sunny.
Very
hot.
Look at
Very sunny. Highlights popping. Look at that.
Oh. Where's my bike?
Highlight popping or whatever. So yeah, I've been here for a while, but I still have to be here because we're waiting for everyone else because they were late.
We're waiting
We
for
were
the
on
crew.
time. We're waiting for the crew, but there's people behind the scenes. But obviously, they're shine dazzled.
It has a lovely
Take a picture. How is that not like burning? That's why all the rich white folk.
no, because
Rich white folk.
it reflects up because the angle is